Right now, somewhere in the Caribbean, a passenger just walked past their fifth free premium drink of the day. Another traveler in Alaska bypassed a complimentary gourmet meal worth $150. And in the Mediterranean, someone ignored an exclusive spa experience that normally costs $300. These aren't accidents. They're systematic oversights that cost cruise passengers thousands of dollars every single voyage. Hit that subscribe button right now, because what you're about to learn will revolutionize every future cruise. The notification bell too. Trust me on this. The cruise industry operates on a simple principle. Visible luxury sells tickets, but hidden luxury creates profit margins. What passengers don't realize is that every ship carries a parallel universe of complimentary experiences, premium amenities, and exclusive perks that exist specifically for those who know where to look. The wine conspiracy that saves $500 per cruise. Every cruise ship hosts a captain's reception. Passengers dress up, take formal photos, shake hands with the captain, and leave after one drink. What they don't know is that these receptions feature unlimited premium wine service for the entire 90-minute event, not house wine. Premium vintages that cost $25 per glass in specialty restaurants. The secret is timing and positioning. Arrive exactly when the reception starts, not when the crowd peaks. Position yourself near service stations, not photo lines. Knowledgeable passengers have sampled 12 different wines during a single reception, equivalent to a $300 tasting experience on land. These receptions happen multiple times per cruise, often coinciding with formal dining nights. Cruise lines schedule them strategically, knowing most passengers will rush off to expensive dinner reservations instead of maximizing the complimentary wine service. The $200 shore excursion alternative. Every port day, cruise ships empty as passengers chase overpriced tours. What happens to the ship during those hours reveals one of the industry's best-kept secrets: exclusive onboard experiences available only when most guests are ashore. Specialty restaurants suddenly offer complimentary cooking demonstrations. Spa facilities open their thermal suites for free exploration. Pool decks transform into private resort experiences with dedicated service. The economics are brilliant. Cruise lines maintain skeleton staffs during port days, so offering premium experiences to remaining passengers costs virtually nothing while creating tremendous perceived value. One family spent $800 on shore excursions during a 7-day Caribbean cruise. Their cabin neighbors, who stayed on board for 3 port days, participated in complimentary cooking classes, enjoyed private pool access, received free spa treatments, and attended exclusive wine tastings. The total value of their onboard experiences exceeded $1,200, yet cost nothing beyond their cruise fare. The midnight economy. When most passengers sleep, cruise ships enter what industry insiders call the midnight economy. Buffets appear that rival 5-star restaurants. Chocolate fountains emerge alongside ice sculptures and themed food displays. These aren't advertised because cruise lines want intimate atmospheres, not crowds. The midnight buffet tradition started in the 1980s to utilize night shift culinary staff. Today, these events feature items from specialty restaurants, premium ingredients, and themed presentations. Room stewards possess the most accurate information about midnight buffet schedules. They receive daily briefings about special events and themed nights. Passengers who regularly attend midnight buffets report spending 50 to 75% less on specialty dining throughout their cruise. The Equipment Liberation Network. Cruise ship libraries operate as equipment lending centers that most passengers never discover. Snorkel gear, binoculars, board games, phone chargers, tablets, waterproof cameras, e-readers, and even musical instruments are available for complimentary borrowing. This system exists because cruise lines purchase equipment in bulk for shore excursions and entertainment programs, then store surplus items in libraries. A family of 4 can borrow snorkel equipment worth $120 in rental fees, waterproof cameras valued at $80, and binoculars costing $60 for wildlife viewing. The Coffee Underground. While passengers line up at overpriced coffee shops, multiple locations throughout each ship serve complimentary specialty coffee during specific hours. Dining rooms offer cappuccinos and lattes between $2, 4 p.m. during meal preparation periods. Libraries maintain espresso machines. Some crew areas remain accessible to passengers during designated hours. This practice originated from European cruise lines, where coffee culture demands multiple high-quality options throughout the day. American cruise lines adopted similar practices but don't advertise them widely, preferring to drive revenue through dedicated coffee shops. The arcade economics. Family cruise budgets often include $200, $300 for arcade activities. What parents don't realize is that designated family fun nights feature complimentary arcade access with unlimited play on all machines. Pinball, racing simulators, air hockey, claw machines, and dance games become free for 2-3-hour periods. These events coincide with adult-only activities like wine tastings or comedy shows, creating childcare solutions while maximizing equipment utilization. Free arcade nights typically occur during sea days when passengers have limited entertainment options. The Spa Infiltration System. Spa packages can cost $400, $600 per person, but complimentary access windows exist for thermal suites, saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas. These opportunities occur during staff shift changes, equipment testing periods, and promotional sampling hours. Embarkation Day presents the best opportunities, when spas operate skeleton crews and focus on tour sales rather than treatment bookings. Wellness orientation sessions provide 2-3-hour access windows to facilities that normally require expensive day passes. The Theater VIP Conspiracy. Pre-show receptions in theater lounges offer complimentary hors d'oeuvres and welcome drinks that rival specialty restaurant appetizers. Bacon-wrapped scallops, champagne cocktails, and artisanal cheese displays appear 1 hour before curtain time. These receptions include meet and greets with cast members, behind-the-scenes stories, and sometimes preview performances. The experiences provide value comparable to VIP theater packages that cost $75–100 in major cities. The Deckchair Intelligence Network. The notorious deckchair wars have a secret solution: reserved premium seating held specifically for passengers who know to request it. Pool deck attendants maintain cushioned loungers with side tables, shaded reading nooks, and semi-private cabana spaces for complimentary day-use upgrades. These premium spots are released throughout the day as standard reservations expire, but only to passengers who ask about availability. The key is timing requests during slower periods and building relationships with pool staff who control access to premium areas. The Cultural Value Exchange. Complimentary workshops and cultural experiences often provide more authentic value than expensive shore excursions. Language lessons with native speakers, traditional cooking classes, historical lectures, and art workshops featuring local techniques create immersive cultural experiences. The knowledge gained during these workshops enhances port experiences significantly. Passengers who learn basic language skills, cultural customs, and historical context report more meaningful interactions during shore visits. The Fitness Economics. Cruise ship fitness centers offer complimentary classes that rival expensive land-based studios. Sunrise yoga, ocean view Pilates, dance fitness sessions, meditation workshops, rock climbing instruction, and surf simulator training. These classes are included in cruise fares, but aren't heavily promoted to maintain intimate group sizes. Wellness passport programs track participation and reward completion with spa credits, specialty dining certificates, and cabin upgrades. The $3,000 revelation. A typical 7-day cruise passenger spends $1,800 beyond their base fare on dining, drinks, spa services, shore excursions, and entertainment. Passengers who understand these hidden systems often reduce their additional spending by 60 to 70% while enjoying superior experiences. The math is compelling. Unlimited premium wine at captain's receptions saves $300–400. Free arcade access eliminates $200–250 in family entertainment costs. Complimentary cooking classes and cultural workshops provide $500–600 worth of experiential value. Spa sampling and fitness activities replace $400–500 in wellness spending. Total potential savings exceed $3,000 for a family during a week-long cruise, while simultaneously elevating the overall experience through exclusive access and personalized attention. The final secret. The ultimate cruise hack isn't about finding free things. It's about understanding that cruise ships are designed with multiple service levels, and the highest level is always available to passengers who know how to access it. Staff members want to provide exceptional experiences. Premium amenities exist throughout every ship, and exclusive opportunities appear constantly for those who recognize them. Which of these secrets will transform your next cruise experience? Drop your biggest surprise in the comments, and let's build the ultimate cruise insider community. Because once you cruise with this knowledge, you'll never look at a ship the same way again. Subscribe now for more insider travel secrets that the industry doesn't want you to know. Your next vacation could be completely different.